I'm Sam from Juice Plus, and I'm really excited to share with you some recipes using our brand new Juice Plus Complete bulk packs that we now have in Australia. And this recipe I'm going to show you today is designed for busy mums. There's nothing about perfection here, but it's all about getting good quality nutrition into our families. We're going to do some banana pancakes. These use less than 5 ingredients, less than 15 minutes, dairy-free, gluten-free. Let's get stuck in.